Because the trail's over there, obviously. Starts over there.
Yeah, but it goes way over there.
Okay.
I know. Looks like we're just looking at a place.
Say hi to the camera, y'all. My first shot. Say hi to my boobs.
My head's getting chopped off.
My boob. Actually, no. This is a pretty wide angle camera.
Oh my.
Oh my.
Is this a video or a picture?
Well, there'll be like
Well, if it's a video, you're gonna find out later.
Okay. Hello.
Dad, put this stick away.
No, I'm gonna be that person this time.
Oh my.
All right, let's go.
All right,
Every
you know
time
what?
he whips out the GoPro, I.
Yep. This way.
Is this a 6 mile?
This okay. So the entire loop is basically consists of 2 loops we're doing. Figure 8. We're gonna do a figure 8.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So that one says 1.3. We're actually gonna do.
Yeah, this is the easy one.
We're doing the full connection. This would be a good photo op spot
Yep. Good.
for someone who wants to get their picture taken. Johnny, you want your picture taken?
I need one for the profile.
Oh, this is really good.
I need one for the profile.
Yeah, he doesn't need more hinge like pictures. He's got one already. Are you guys looking to climb? Are you guys trying to climb that thing?
It looks like it'd be fun, but the rock is like so bad.
So chossy. Yeah, this stuff is like, it looks like mud.
Yeah.
Clay.
No, I mean if you touch it, it comes off on your hand.
Yeah. Which means you should take advantage of coming to this place as much as you can before it completely disappears.
But I mean, like, if it was solid though, some of this looks like it'd be so much fun.
I know, right? You guys should grab a picture here.
Yeah? Your photo?
Yeah. Good.
You don't have your tripod, do you?
I do.
Oh! We'll change your rhythm of breathing.
I want to take a video of you guys going into town.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Hold your breath, Nancy. Thanks, Jesse. I feel validated now.
You feel what?
I feel validated.
Oh, validated. Margarita shot on video. Ew.
It's like it's. No, I can see it.
Oh.
This is why you don't.
This is why women live longer.
Steve braces back on that.
We have.
I mean, you've already lived the longest of all of us. You're doing pretty good, Steve.
Oh, thank you, man.
Like I said, just tell everyone we're geologists.
All right. This is how I'm gonna go.
Did you pull it out?
You pulled out the rock?
Yeah, I feel really bad right now.
That rock's been there thousands of years. Be careful, man. You're the only one who can drive the car.
Okay. That's cool. You could definitely climb all the way up. I just don't want to die today. Yeah. Hello.
Hi. Yeah, you should. Right there. Right, just stand there. And then do something candid.
Blue steel.
Gotta upgrade those days profiles.
Can't bug you to seriously get one.
Always.
See, like take one of Nancy, like
Picture or
fighting
video?
It's a video.
I love
It's a
it.
video. We got to the peak. Or sort of the peak, but not really the peak. The midpoint.
Oh, this is the midpoint?
Yeah, it's this
You look
midpoint.
like a pufferfish.
Okay. We gotta go all the way back down there. We gotta go all the way around.
Is it? Are we going up anymore? Or are we going?
Oh,
down?
we're definitely going up.
We gotta
again.
go back up to where we were.
Yep, you're gonna
Because
die.
like the parking lot is at that height.
I
Right.
a lot, actually. I do a Harry Potter themed real estate room. Like, you know, all the tours are Harry Potter themed.
I don't get it. Can you explain further?
I really want you to understand.
I feel like all these videos have like some very like snarky like dialogue in it. All of Jesse and Nancy just taking it.
You did tell me to tone it down, Nancy. You're such an easy target.
Okay. When I cry, you'll know.
Alright, that's my new goal for this trip.
Oh my god, I'm running that I think that I would
A 30-penny company. They make any printer. But they start out with 1, and then 2, and then 4. They printed their own printers too. So, end of the year, they have like 1,000 printers. It's like multiplying them.
That's not helpful. I had something to try too.
Okay.
I just forgot to put it on.
Here's an idea. How about we take showers when we get back?
Do you know if it's like coin operated shower or I don't think so. Because we're at the campsite. Okay. So it comes with it.
Get back into shape, Justin.
What?
What?
What did you say?
What?
I'll come a little closer. Sarah,
That was like this shot right there.
wait for that guy to go.
You guys ever done the handhold thing? Handhold picture? Yeah. It's weird.
Oh man. This place is just unbelievably gorgeous.
It rocks, Steve.
Coconuts?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
We can gallop.
We can gallop? Oh. What y'all looking at? What y'all stopping at?
We're waiting for you.
Oh, we don't wait for him. Excuse me.
Probably outrun all this. Dude.
A little sand. A little sandy eye. Yeah. Sure. Move, Justin, move.
Way to go ahead of me, Steve.
Nope. I'm gonna chase you. I'm gonna push you.
How come you're coming up this way? Is that at the end of the hike?
Yeah, there's two ways you can make this loop.
Get all surveyed, baby.
Come on, dude. Let's go.
We're
Move.
not done yet. Give me a sec.
We're not done. We're done.
No, there's like.
Up
It
there.
feels sarcastic. Right. It feels like it.
They're going?
Yeah.
Probably. I think that's me.
All right, good job, guys. We're done. Woohoo.